Hello everyone, it's me Uncle John. Today I am going to read All Aboard Level 6, Unit 12, The Return. Activity 2, Read and Listen. Find a secret message. This must be the magic key, said Megan. It's made of gold, but how do we use it? They were standing under a tree. Megan picked up a leaf from the ground and started rubbing the key to clean it. Suddenly, a door appeared in the tree. That must be a magic door, said Isabel. Wasn't there a minute ago? The key might unlock it, said Mac. It might take us back to school, but how will I get home? Said Edward. My grandmother must be very worried about me. The king can send a message, said Isabel. Your grandmother can come here and be my magic teacher. That way you will both live in the castle soon. That's a great idea, said Edward. In Unit 2, we are going to study must. 뭐뭐심에 틀림없다. Activity 2, read and listen to the story, then act it out. We left school last Wednesday afternoon. Everybody must be really worried about us by now. Come on, Matt. Let's get a move on. Goodbye. Look, there are some basketballs. We must be back in the sports closet. Look, the magic recorder has turned into a baseball bat, and the magic compass is now a baseball. You've already found a baseball and bat. That didn't take long. Mr. Murray is still here. It must be the same class. Incredible. We've only been away for a few seconds. Activity 2, we're going to study must. 뭐뭐심에 틀림없다. Page 104, vocabulary. Activity 1, look and choose. Activity 2, talk about the pictures. Can be 뭐뭐지 않는 게 틀림없다. Must be 뭐뭐심에 틀림없다. Can be is used in negative. Must be used in positive statement. What sports do the people do? Read the song, then listen and sing. The Olympics. She trains every morning before she goes to school. It must be very tiring at the swimming pool. Getting ready, getting ready. The Olympics are nearly here. It might be bronze, it might be silver, it might be gold. This year, he trains in the mountains. It must be very cold, but he will be so excited if he wins the gold. Getting ready, pronunciation. Listen and repeat the intonation. Can you hear the difference? Is she a swimmer? Are the Olympics exciting? She's a skier. The Olympics are exciting. The Olympic Games. Activity 1, read, answer the questions. The Olympic Games used to take place in ancient Greece about 2,500 years ago. The athletes took part in races, the javelin, the discus, and wrestling. The games were very important. People even stopped fighting wars to take part in them. The first modern games took place in Greece in 1896. The idea of the game was to build a friendship and understanding between different countries. The Olympic flag with its 5 circles is a symbol of friendship. 14 different countries took part in the games. 245 athletes competed in 43 events. All of the athletes were men. Today, more than 10,000 athletes, men and women, take part in about 300 events. Athletes come from about 200 different countries. The Summer Olympics are held every 4 years in 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, and so on. There are also Winter Olympics every 4 years, 2006, 2010, 2014. The games are held in a different country each time. 2 months before the start of the games, the Olympic torch is lit in Greece. The torch is then carried by runners to the country where the games are taking place. The torch is a symbol of peace and hope. Activity 2, talk about the questions. the compass quiz. But 1, what are you wearing now? 2, what do you usually wear for sports? What were you doing 2 hours ago? What did you used to be scared of? You mustn't run in the classroom because blah blah blah. 6, what are you doing next weekend? 7, my friends and I enjoyed ourselves when we blah blah blah. How long have you been learning English? I've been playing basketball since for 2 years. I have seen an alien, said Tom. Tom said that blah blah blah. He said me that the alien had spoken to him. I'll stay at home, Hannah said. Hannah said that she blah blah blah. 13, my teacher asked me to and tell me not to blah blah blah. I have decided to studying more because blah blah blah. Where do you live? She asked me. She asked me blah blah blah. The next Olympic Games, blah blah in the year blah blah blah. I wish I blah blah blah. Do you have a lot of things done for you? What are they? I wish people wouldn't blank at school. This can be the last question. Amazing Nature 4, working together. Some animals can be trained to help humans. For example, seeing-eye dogs help blind people walk around town safely. Some kinds of monkeys can be trained too. They can learn how to help people. They can use their arms or legs. The monkeys pick up the phone when it rings, carry shopping bags, and do housework. In the wild, animals and humans don't usually work together, but there are a few interesting examples of this. In Africa, the honey-eyed bird works with humans to find food. The bird likes to eat the grubs that live inside a beehive. It knows how to find beehives, but it can't open them, so it can't get the grubs. People like to eat honey, but they aren't very good at finding beehives. So the bird and the people help each other. The bird calls to the people and flies to a beehive. The people follow it. When the people open the beehive and take the honey, they give the grubs to the bird. In Laguna in the south of Brazil, fishermen and dolphins work as a team. The ocean isn't very clean, so the fishermen can see the fish. However, dolphins can find them easily by using echoes. When the dolphins find a large group of fish, they make a noise to tell the fishermen. Then the dolphin chases the fish toward the beach. The fishermen wade in the water near the beach, catch a lot of fish in their nets. The fishermen's nets make it easier for the dolphins to catch fish too. In Laguna, fishermen and dolphins have been working together for many, many years. The fishermen teach the children how to work with the dolphins. The dolphins must be happy to help, because they teach the babies how to work with the humans. Answer the questions in your own words. The end.